Tackle tasks for home or hobby with the cordless convenience of PJ4SDFLX 4-volt cordless screwdriver from Power Joe by Sun Joe. Don't tether yourself to the outlet, cut the cord. Power Joe's perfect anywhere power's at a premium, like around the house or yard, in the workshop, garage, and more. Finish up that to-do list with up to 30 minutes of continuous rechargeable runtime. Equipped with 2 onboard 50mm driver bits for flathead and Phillips head screws, and an 11-piece bit kit, Power Joe's like having a portable toolbox in the palm of your hand. Packed with up to 35.4 pounds of torque per inch, Power Joe makes even the most difficult driving jobs look easy. Drive screws, drill anchors. The powerful 4-volt high-torque motor is ideal for driving into wood, metal, plastic, and more. Plus, Power Joe's 2-position head pivots from pistol grip to stick with the click, and the included flex bit extender extends your reach in tighter, cramped places. And when the job's done, simply plug it in and power up, so Power Joe's ready to go for your next home improvement project. And every Power Joe comes backed by a complete 2-year warranty for reliable power and performance you can count on. So when the going gets tough, go with Joe, the Power Joe 4-volt cordless screwdriver by Sun Joe. Get equipped.